Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So, sorry if you can hear my washer going. I'm currently washing my clothes right now, and because today we are going to be doing my closet declutter. I'm in my closet right now, as you can see, and I'm literally like sitting on all of my junk. It's a mess in here, right? But yeah, so we're going to be doing a closet declutter. I'm definitely getting a lot of these clothes, other stuff that's in my closet. So let's get started. I already did some of it last night. Like I decluttered some of my purses. Ooh, you know that's the best thing ever. When you find a contact thing, that's like really cool. Hang on to that. So like I said, I already decluttered some of my purses and other stuff, so that's done. I just have 3 drawers of this clean, so let's get into it. Okay, so now it's time to work on the stuff that's on my floor. So I know I want to get rid of this is gonna go in my definitely get rid of pile, and then my maybe pile. And now we have the shoes. I've had these for a long time, these cowgirl boots, and I absolutely love them. I love wearing them in the winter, so I'm gonna keep them. I was going to get rid of these, but I'm gonna hold on to them a little bit longer until I find a similar pair, because these are my favorite kind of boot heel type shoes. I'm gonna keep them. Definitely gonna keep these shoes. I love these shoes for the summer. These ones I'm gonna get rid of. Oh, I hate plastic flip-flops, because the in between them, they really hurt me, so I have to keep a band-aid on them. And I really don't know if I want to get rid of these or not, because I do have another pair that I really like, so I'm going to get rid of it. The other flip-flops that I talked about that I love for the beach or for water parks, they're my favorites. I'm going to keep them. These shoes I made for a 5 Seconds of Summer concert, and I'm going to keep them because I love them. And then these heels, I actually do have another pair of heels that I'm going to go get, but I love them. The only thing is I have to put a sock in the toe on one of them, but I do really like these shoes. These I got actually at Knott's Berry Farm. These are Roxy shoes, and I absolutely love them. Keeping them. And then these are pretty much the tennis shoes that I wear the most. They're probably my favorite. I really, really like them. Heel boots that I absolutely love. They're my favorite. They're so big, and I love them. Definitely keeping these shoes. Yeah, so they're all organized right now. I think I'm going to put, like I said, put them all in here. I want to get a bin for my keep stuff and then for my get rid of stuff. So we'll be right. Yeah, I wasn't realizing I wasn't filming great. So we have boots in this drawer. We have fancy shoes in this drawer, and I'm also going to put my ballet shoes and my jazz shoes in this drawer. I think that's a good idea. And then we have tennis shoes. And then in this corner, I just have my snowshoes and my water shoes. Okay, next, I think it's time to work on that shelf. I'm not going to film me going through that shelf because a lot of it is personal stuff. So I'll come back once that shelf is all clean. Actually, no, I lied. I'm actually going to be cleaning the floors because from the underneath my clothes that are hanging. So I'm going to just sweep the floors. Okay, now it's time to go through purses. This is actually not a purse. Over here. This one is a Kate Spade. Keeping it. I love it. It reminds me of like a puffer jacket. I don't know if I want to get rid of it or not. Yeah. We'll see about that one. So this one's gonna go in navy. I quickly want to show you my get rid of, keep, or maybe pile. So this is get rid of. There's a lot there, I know. This is keep, and this is maybe. So I'm actually going to charge my camera right now. It's almost going to die, so I'm going to let it charge and then come back. Okay, so I'm back from my break, and now it's time for going through my swimsuits. I don't have a lot. Yeah, so some of these are really old that I think I'm going to get rid of. So like this pair I want to get rid of. Actually, you know, no, I'm going to keep this one because I like to use it when I'm sunbathing. So I'm going to keep this one. I did forget to mention that I do have another green swimsuit, but I actually used it last night, so it's drying right now in my bathroom, so that one I'm definitely going to keep. I think we are ready for the clothes. I'm excited to get rid of a lot. So I think I'm going to start from the back of my closet to here. So we're going to start with this stuff, I think. I have two huge bathrobes that I absolutely love. I love to use this one for Christmas. I'm definitely going to keep that one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do two piles. So it's keep pile and then get rid of pile, and then I can just organize them like that. I think that's what I'm going to do. Next one we have is a really fluffy bathrobe that I absolutely love that I am going to keep too. I'm going to keep my bathrobes. Next is this pencil skirt. Oh, this is the front. I love this pencil skirt. This one is my favorite, and I think I'm definitely going to keep it. So this dress, I think I'm going to keep most of my dresses. This one I'm going to keep. So I'm going to go through this, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to keep, and then what I'm going to get rid of. Okay, I have a lot of stuff on my bed, even on my ottoman here. So I have dresses and jumpsuits / rompers, and then on my ottoman here, have skirts and getting rid of pile. Okay, now it's time to get rid of some jackets. So I'm going to actually do the same thing and put them out on my bed. First one, definitely keep. It's the 5 Seconds of Summer Japan jacket. Keeping that, definitely. This one is another 5 Seconds of Summer one. This is the Sounds Good, Feels Good jacket. Definitely keeping that. This is a Brandy Melville jacket that I think I'm gonna keep as like just a throw, and because it is Brandy Melville, and that's my only Brandy Melville thing. This I don't really wear. I might have worn it once when I get rid of it. This one is another cardigan throw. Verdict is in. I'm getting rid of this one too because there's a hole in it. That's sad. I haven't worn it. Alright, this is actually also from Brandy Melville. I'm keeping it as well. This is another one that I love. I'm keeping as too because it's such a... Here's another one that I got. This is from the 5 Seconds of Summer show. It has the tour dates on it as well. Of course. Okay, so I organized the jackets. So I have kind of like blazers and fancy jackets there. I have sweaters and cardigans there. And then pullover jackets, button-up jackets, and then zipper jackets. So we're gonna put them back into my closet. Okay, so for organizing them, I think I'm gonna do fancy jackets first. I think I'm gonna face them this way. Okay, now it's time to go through all of my shirts. I don't know, this is like my only Star Wars shirt, and I love to use it to wear it for Star Wars Day, so I am gonna keep it because I do really like this. But I was considering getting rid of it, but I do really like it. Now it's time to put all the shirts back. I'm kind of going to organize it a little bit better, and I'm going to put my long sleeve shirts kind of like up where my jackets are since it's coming to summertime. So I'm just going to have my like short sleeve and spaghetti strap shirts on this part of my closet. I'm actually going to do short sleeve crop top shirts. These are kind of like mid-length. Some of these are mid-length, some of these are shorter. Now is fancy. Next we have my 5 Seconds of Summer shirts. I didn't realize how many I have. It's a little excessive, I think. Now we have sports stuff, so I have just a sports shirt, Los Angeles Chargers, and then I have a Dodgers shirt, and then a Chargers jersey. Now we have my graphic tees or just regular tees. All the rest are long sleeve shirts, so I'm gonna put them up here. Alright, I think we actually did pretty good in my closet. I think we are done, but I actually want to kind of go through my drawers in my dresser just to see if I can throw out anything or get rid of anything too. Alright, let's go through my pajama drawer. Okay, so I was on a roll, that's why I didn't show the other drawers. But those drawers are done, so I'm gonna show my the finished drawers and the finished closet. This I still have to organize a little bit, but it's my jewelry drawer, and I just have my face mask or my eye mask in here as well. And then this is my lounging drawer where I keep all my loungewear. Then we have pajamas, workout stuff, pants and shorts, and then on the bottom we have blankets. Okay, let's go into the closet. So my closet looks a lot better. So we have purses, kind of like everyday purses here. My Alley Lines bag that I have some travel stuff in it as well, and then shoes, shirts here, and these are extra hangers for when I'm doing my laundry, and then jackets and long sleeve shirts, and then more fancy like dress and romper type clothes there, and then a couple of big jackets. And then here I keep all my Christmas decorations. There's my green screen. So I feel so much better now that my closet is completely clean. Yeah, I did get rid of a lot of stuff, so I'm really happy about that. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you in the next one. Bye!